Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use InkScape to draw different type of creative designs. So InkScape is an application that will help you to draw different types of creative designs, and it's pretty much a good and reputed application that can help you to create designs and drawings. So here is the free designing tool. It is totally free, so where you can find flexible drawing tools, broad file format compatibility, powerful text tool, and Bezier and spiral curves. So that's mean there's all type of curves you can get, all type of shapes, and you can also use some images. So from here you can find that download now, so you can simply click on download now, or you can simply click on download version here. So select the current version. Now currently it's running 1.4, and remember that you have go to the inkscape.org, so you can get the exact website. So simply I'm going to download the current stable version here, so simply click on it and it will download the setup file here. So here it is. So we are going to click on Windows installer package. So here it is. So if it's not started, you can simply click here if it's not automatically started. So here you can see it is starting the setup file, downloading the setup file. So you have to wait until the setup file is downloaded, or otherwise you can click here. So if it's not automatically started the downloading the setup file, so you can click here, so it will manually start the download, so you can get it. Or if you are facing any issue in this section, then you can let us know in the comments below. Now here you can see we have just added the download the installer package here, so you can simply install. You can set up it like here the file location, so custom setup, you can select it and still install it. So here you can see the setup wizard installing on our PC for InkScape, so it has just added. So we are going to set the permissions for that location on our foreign file manager here. Now it is just updating all of the file, it is copying new files here, so you have to wait until it totally installed it packages. Now you can see it has just installed, so I'm going to simply click on finish and it will start automatically, or you can just search for the InkScape. So I'm going to show you where it is, so let me show you. So here is InkScape, so you can simply double click on it and it will start running. You can see, so it has started running and the version is 1.4 here. So here is quick setup, so where you can actually set up the canvas. So you can go with the default one, you can go with the dark one, light checkboard, or dark checkboard, or the solid white you can go with. So I'm going with the light checkboard here, and the keyboard here you can select the keyboard. So you can go with the InkScape default one, or you can find different type of keyboard from here. And here's appearance, that you can go with colorful or grayscale here. Then you can go with classic, symbolic, and compacted, or system default, or classic. So I'm going with this system default, where it will look like this, or you can find different types of table like colorful like this, or the grayscale, or the classic symbol like this. It will look like this. You can go with classic symbol also, and it is the system default. So I prefer the system default. So safe and supported by you. You can support it, or you can learn how to contribute time and how to find InkScape. So you can learn from here. Now here you have to select anything like browse for other file. You can find some existing file. You can go with print file. You can select the size from here. So you can find the video size that you want. If you want any video size, or you are creating thumbnails, so you can go with that, like video, this full and 4K video here. You can go with the 4K video here, or this one, or 8K also. Then social, you can find Facebook cover page, event page, image page, link, and Instagram portrait. So you can find different types of size here, so you can go with this. So I'm going to get this size from here, and let me explain the dashboard here, the control panel, where you can find the file, where you can create a new dashboard, a new canvas from here. And here you can from template, you can select template, you can open an existing one, you can revert the changes will be lost. Then you can save it, or you can save as, that's mean you can save this as copy, or as any type of format on your file manager. So you can save a copy here, you can save template, you can import them, so you can export them here. Then click up document, Now here you can find more things from here, and in this edit section you can find cut, copy, paste, and find and replace. You can find object and replace it. You can duplicate anything. Now clone it. You can make a bitmap copy. You can delete it. You can delete whole entire design, or you can delete a specific one, but you have to select it. So here is all of these tools here, and in view you can find more tools, and in layer there's also different tools that actually help you to manage your layers, and you can set a layers above or below, or totally above and totally below. So you can move it, and you can actually raise your layer, so lower your layer, you can do anything. And here is the object. It is object based settings, so you can actually explore them. And if you want to have a detailed video on that, or for the pro tips for about all of these tools in this section, so let me know in the comments below. Now here is the path, so where you can actually go with these shapes, where you can use this as measurement or creating different types of obstacles. And here is text, where you can add some text and fonts from here. And here is the filters, where you can add some filters on your edit. Now here is some extensions, so you can add some documents here, doc info. You can find color, you can select the color from here, you can select the text from here, so different types of thing here. And here is the tools that actually, so this is actually selective tools. This is actually the node tool that actually edit path by nodes. And let me show you, this is actually shape tool. This is rectangle tool. You can create rectangle and square. This will help you to create the circles, and it will help you to create star and polygon shape. It is actually 3D box tool here. This is for spiral tool. This is actually pen tool. This is for pencil, and the calligraphy tool here, and this is for text tool. So here you can find gradient tool also, like mesh tool that actually help you to create and edit meshes. And here is dropper tool, so you can pick a color and from the image to another place. So paint bucket tools, you can actually fill bounded areas with another tool. So here is a trick object by sculpting or painting. You can find the spray tool. You can use the spray on object. Then here is eraser tools, so you can erase a specific section of that design. Here is connector tool. You can connect diagrams connectors. You can connect between different types of diagrams. And LPE tools also do geometric construction, so you can actually you can get a measurement of your geometric shapes here. And here is the scale actually, so measurement object, you can measurement object that. Now the zoom tool, so where you can, if you need to zoom in any section, so you can use this here. And here it is the page tool from here. So let's create design. So first you have to choose the background here. It is the transparent background, where you can use the transparent background. Here is the non-color, or here is different types of color that you can use as background. For example, this color here, if I just put it at here, or not at this, and we're going to stroke paint. And at the right side you can find different types of tools that can actually help you to save your file, print your file, download your file, undo and revert. You can cut and copy, you can paste it, you can zoom in or zoom out actually. So let's do something here, and from here, so from here to select it. Now let's add some shape from here. We are going to add some shape, so you must select an object to use the shape ruler. So first you have to add object here, so for example this one here, and we are going to use something like, we are going to create a line from here. So here it is, so we are going to select a shape from here. So the 3D box, we are going to create a 3D box from here, just like this. Sorry for that. We are going to just add a 3D box from here. So let's create a building from here. Like this, and we are going to add another one, and also Now here is, so you can change the size of your background here, also the size just like this. You can change the size from here and you can make it a little low from here, just like this. And you can actually go with this one. I'm going to, so you can change the diagram from like this and it will properly like show up like this here. So I have just added any shape from here. You can add some shape from here if you want, so like circle. So we are going to create a circle from here. So here you can change the color of the circle. So I'm going to create a circle like this color here. So fill or like fill. So we are going to add something. Now we are going to add it like this lightning color here, and the transparency should be just like this. And the color here, and we can actually add this. So you can find the colors, where you can find RGB color. This color actually different types of color. You can go with that. And here is the gradient here. So just like this, you can go with that, or you can actually select the gradient just like this. You can make it, so you can make a shadow from here. So just like this. So, and we are going to add some shape. I don't know what I actually creating, but I'm going to show you every single step where you can actually create something. So here you can see the shape. You can select object and where you can actually add the shape color here. So for example, this one. So I'm going to shape and I'm going to add this shape here, and it's not actually getting that. So we are going to add it like from here. So select the shape here. I'm going to add this shape here, like this color here, or this box color here. We are going to add something like, and this one also. So we are going to add that color here, like the color. Actually we will select the HSL and we are going to create it. This color here. And here it will be light, and we are going to create it like this. So you can change a color of that object. Now it's up to you how you can do it. So that's pretty much all thing. If you want to get a more advanced tutorial about this InkScape applications tutorial, how you can actually draw something perfectly, and you can create 3D models by InkScape. So let me know at the comments below. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.